Properties of exponents. Today's topic, quotient to a power property. First question, 89a. X to the power 18 divide x to the power 3. As per quotient to a power property, we know once a to the power m divide a to the power n, that means once base are same, that time in division power will be subtract, right? So same thing, here is x 18 minus 3, our answer will be x to the power 15. Number B, 5 to the power 12 divide 5 to the power 3, it means 5 to the power 12 minus 3, so 5 to the power 9. Number C, q to the power 18 divide q to the power 36. So this one we can write q to the power 18 minus 36. So it's a q to the power minus 18. Another law, we have to know about another law, which is a to the power minus n equals to 1 divided a to the power n. So this is a law of negative. So in this case we can write 1 by q to the power 18. So this one also we can solve like this way. Here 18 is less than 36. That means we can write 1 divide q to the power, here is a 36 minus 18. Same thing, it will be 1 divide q to the power 18. So it's the same. Number C, A, B, C, done. Now here is a d equals to 10 square divide 10 to the power 3. So we can write this one in here. 10 to the power 2 divide 10 to the power 3. So this one we can write 1 divide 10 to the power 3 minus 1. It means 1 divided, here is a 3 minus 2, right? It's a 2. So 10 to the power 1, it means 1 by 10. So 81, done. This video we are trying to solve lots of math based on quotient to a power property. Number 90. A, y to the power 20 divide y to the power 10. So this one is very simple, 20 minus 10 equals to y to the power 10. Number B, here is 7 to the power 16 and 7 square. So this one is a 7 to the power 16 minus 2 equals to 7 14. So once you make good practice, we will get good marks. 10 to the power 10 divide 10 to the power 40. 10 to the power 10 divide 10 to the power 40. So here is 1, then t to the power 40 minus 10 equals to 1 divided t to the power 30, right? And finally 8 to the power 3 divide 8 to the power 5. 8 to the power 3 divide 8 to the power 5. So here is 1, 8 to the power 5 minus 3. So finally 1 divide 8 to the power 5 minus 3 means 2. So this one, if you want, you can write 64. So this is okay, right? So number 90, done. 91. P to the power 21 divide p to the power 7. We can write p to the power 21 minus 7. That means p to the power 14. Number B, 4 to the power 16 divide 4 to the power 4. So base are same, so 4 to the power 16 minus 4 equals to 4 to the power 12, right? Very simple. Then number C, b and b to the power 9. So Here only b, it means power is 1. So we can write 1 divide 9 b to the power 9 minus 1 equals to 1 b to the power 8. Look, one thing, a to the power m divide a to the power n, we can write easily a to the power m minus n. Same thing, we can also write 1 divide a to the power n minus m is also same thing. So C and D, it will be 4 by 6. D 4 divide 4 by 4 to the power 6. So we can write here is 1, then 4, 6 minus 1. So our answer will be 4 to the power 5, right? So 91 done. Final topics of this video. A, 92a, u to the power 24 divide u to the power 3. We can write u to the power 24 minus 3. It means u to the power 21. Number B, 9 to the power 15, 9 by to the power 5. So 9 to the power 15 minus 5, it was 9 to the power 10. So A and B done. C, x divide x to the power 7. So we can write 1 divide x to the power 7 minus 1 equals to 1 divide x to the power 6, right? And finally number D, it will be 10 divide 10 to the power 3. So we can write 1 divide 10 to the power 3 minus 1. So here is 1 divide 10 square. Is it not x square? Actually it's a 10 square. So if you want, you also can write 1 divide 100. Both are okay. So no more today. Thank you very much. This video I'm trying to discuss about properties of exponents, the part of quotient to a power. It's a very important. So last video we had discussed a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. So already discussed. The next video we will try to discuss about a to the power 0 equals to 1 and a to the power minus 1 equals to 1 by a. It means negative exponent we will discuss next video. Till then, take care, keep practice, and your channel is Math Unlocked. You can discuss anything based on math. I request you, please subscribe my channel. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.